Like to make toys. He doesn't like to make toys. Do you mind telling me what you do want to do?
Go.
Kapper got his tools. Did I forget my hammer on there?
Hey, pretty good.
Here's one, a little bit bigger one.
This one's got that point. Or is that a flat or Phillips?
It's a Phillips.
Do you mind telling me what you do want to do? Well, sir, someday I'd like to be a dentist. A dentist? Well, we need one up here.
There we go, that's progress right there. Right there. That's good. There. I'm gonna tap this in just a little. Look at that.
Boy, if dental work was that easy, I had me a new grill.
Here, I'll just have you hold this for just fast.
All right, we're here with Dr. Kapper. We're putting some new dentures on the excavator today. We got one back, so it's not gonna look like Dracula fangs anymore.
I stayed at a Holiday Inn Express last night, so I'm pretty much a professional now.
Tom Bodette, leave the light on for you.
Yep.
Better watch your thumb there.
That ready to roll.
Dr. Cap, that quick.
Rock and roll, man.
Wish you could do get me a new grill.
That'll be $400, please. These are I don't know if these are sycamores. That's what they look like, but they're pretty tough. Got 2 new teeth on the bucket. Feels like a whole new excavator.